Hello, my name is Antonija Lujanac. I'm school librarian in one primary school in Zagreb, Croatia. It's Osnovna škola Dobrice Cesarica, and I'm very glad that today I can share with you a good practice example of international cooperation of school libraries during the International School Library Month. As you probably know, it's a global project created by International Association of School Librarianship. And during this year, the theme is fairy tales and folk tales around the world. When you heard the sentence once upon a time, it really takes us to the magical world of books. These stories are very healthy for us, for our emotion, for imagination, especially during this year, during pandemic. And this was the main goal that we wanted to have in the project. So the objectives are to present our national folktales, but also to learn more about folktales from partner schools, but also one of the most important goal is to experience joyful moment during storytelling. We also wanted to use this project to support the development of key competencies of our students and to preserve the folktales for future generations. We wanted that the project is really joyful, without stress for all of us, and it is a challenge because we all have different curriculums, we all have different time zones and different age of students, but some very important activities we all can implement in our regular work. So in September, we started with some storytelling activities, and now we continue with creating an exchange of bookmarks and posters. And at the end of the year, we will publish one final movie about the project activities. So here you can see the project team. Everything started 2 years ago during ISL annual conference in Dubrovnik, when I met Maria from Jakarta. And we stay in touch all these years. And now we invite in the project our previous partners from previous projects. And every month we have meeting where we plan our activities and we use Drive to exchange the materials. Until now, we have partners from Europe, from Africa, from Asia, and also some colleagues from North America. And we really enjoy the project, especially because the kids, they love to see how their students of their age, how they experience the folktales. So here you can see the class in my school. So thanks to video exchange of folktales, kids can hear the foreign language. In this case, it's a Filipino language. And together we discuss about moral lessons. Kids really like this legend of Pinnacle, and they like story about Pinang. So they are waiting for new stories. And of course, the legend of Pinang and Pinnacle inspired them to find new ways of thinking. So Pinang is 10 years old like they are. So they are very surprised that in this age, in some culture, kids know how to prepare some simple meals for themselves. In Croatia, it's not usual because we all have meals in the school, or we have, you know, grandmothers and mothers at home. So in the previous years, maybe in the previous generation, kids knew how to prepare some simple meals, but today it's not usual in Croatia. And our students were very inspired by this legend of Pinang, so they explore what kind of simple meals they can prepare. So they found a lot of recipes about eggs and creative eggs, and also they were very surprised that you can find some cakes like apricot cake that looks like eye, and they are also very interested in the cake made some pineapple cakes. So please stay in contact with me on Facebook, on Twitter, and I wish you from my heart, together with our colleague from Italy, a very, very happy International School Library Month, a lot of creativities, and a lot of joyful moment during storytelling. Enjoy.